Hey everyone! If you're looking to give your Instagram profile a massive boost and get thousands of followers fast, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share some super effective strategies that will skyrocket your Instagram presence. So, let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about your content. To attract followers, your content must be top-notch. It's all about quality over quantity. Make sure your photos are high resolution and your videos are crisp. Play with lighting, explore different angles, and always aim for visually appealing aesthetics. Remember, Instagram is a visual platform, and first impressions are crucial. Now, onto hashtags, your secret weapon. Hashtags increase the reach of your posts exponentially. But don't just spam popular hashtags. Use relevant ones that align with your brand and content. A mix of high traffic and niche-specific hashtags works best. This way, you target both broad and specific audiences. Engagement is key. The more you engage with other users, the more likely they are to check out your profile. So start liking, commenting, and sharing others' content. Be genuine in your interactions. People can tell when you're just fishing for followers. Building relationships can turn casual viewers into loyal followers. Consistency is also crucial. Post regularly, but don't overwhelm your followers. Find a balance and stick to a schedule. This keeps your audience engaged and looking forward to your next post. Tools like scheduling apps can help you maintain this consistency without it taking over your life. Lastly, leverage Instagram stories and live videos. These features are fantastic for real-time engagement. Use stories to share behind-the-scenes content, quick updates, or just fun, everyday moments. Live videos are great for Q&A sessions, tutorials, or just to chat with your followers, making your interaction feel more personal and direct. So, there you have it. Quality content, smart hashtag use, genuine engagement, consistent posting, and making the most of Instagram's features. Implement these strategies and watch your follower count soar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you next time.